Welcome to the Principles of Regenerative Medicine, where cutting-edge science meets the dream of unlocking nature's most profound secrets. Every story begins with a building block. In regenerative medicine, this foundation lies in the molecular organization of cells. The extracellular matrix is not just a scaffold. It's a communicator, guiding cells in repair and regeneration. This is where harmony meets healing. Incredible creatures like salamanders hold secrets to limb regeneration. Understanding the formation of a blastema is the first step to bringing this capability to humans. Pluripotency is the power to become anything, a promise that lies within embryonic and induced pluripotent stem cells. Imagine healing without scars. Regenerative medicine takes inspiration from organisms where scarless wound healing is not just a dream, but reality. From amnion to cord blood, alternative sources of stem cells are rewriting the rules of availability and ethics in regenerative medicine. From cardiac to skeletal repair, regenerative medicine opens doors to healing diseases once thought incurable. At the nanoscale, technology meets biology. Nanotechnology and intelligent biomaterials are healing wounds, one molecule at a time. From cells to systems, the principles of regenerative medicine are shaping a future full of hope and possibilities. If you're inspired by the wonders of science and innovation, join us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help bring this vision to more curious minds around the world.